In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use freeze in Capcut. The freeze tool is perfect when you want to pause motion at an exact moment, highlight a detail, or let text or voiceover land while the picture holds still. I'll walk you through the process from opening Capcut to creating clean freeze frames, and I'll share a few simple tips so your results look polished. First, open Capcut. You can use either the web version in your browser or the Capcut app on your device. The interface looks slightly different in each, but the workflow is the same, so use whichever is most convenient for you. Start by selecting Create New to begin a fresh project. This opens your editing workspace and timeline. If you're working on a standard YouTube-style video, choose the 16:9 canvas. That widescreen format fits most computer and TV viewing. If your footage was already shot in widescreen, this will avoid unwanted cropping or black bars. Next, add your video. You can import from your files or drag and drop your clip into the media area, then place it onto the timeline. Once it's in the timeline, click on the clip to make sure it's selected. This step is important because the freeze tool applies to the selected clip at the exact spot where your playhead is positioned. Move the playhead to the precise frame you want to freeze. Scrub slowly and use the spacebar to preview if you need to refine your timing. For fine control, zoom into the timeline so you can land on the perfect frame. With the clip selected and the playhead in place, click Freeze. Capcut instantly creates a still image segment right at that frame and inserts it into the clip. You'll see a new frozen section appear on the timeline. To control how long the freeze holds, drag the edge of that frozen segment to make it shorter or longer. A quick half-second freeze can add punch. A longer hold gives room for captions or narration. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Move the playhead to another moment you want to emphasize and click. Freeze again. Staggering multiple freeze frames can create a rhythm, great for showcasing steps in a process, pausing on key reactions, or spotlighting important details in a tutorial or product demo. Play back your timeline to check the flow. If a freeze feels too long or too short, trim it until the pacing feels natural. And that's it. Simple, precise, and effective. Now you know how to use freeze in Capcut to direct attention and elevate your edits.